Hello, happy Lord. Thank you so much, Lord, for another day. Thank you, Lord, for giving more blessings, good health, for everything. As of what I'm telling to all of us that we are people still living in this earth. So I'm just finish. Thank you for giving sometimes sa mga good mood or good day. Sabay pang ganon. Okay, so just to say thank you. Thank you. I'm just finished. Now I'm not yet finished in the dining side, and I make retouch to clean also in the hammam, that in the shower area. So I'm just making say thank you for a while before Celine she come, and I want also to eat something. So I just going to finish this one. So thank you for the another day. Okay, so thank you very much to all viewers, not viewers, supporter, subscriber, not subscriber, supporters, not supporters, nagiging social media or not social media in the different team of part, naging part sa social media. So thank you again for the some blogger that you're still continue and helping to me. Thank you for the support, and whatever we need, wherever we are, God will be with us now and forever talaga. Okay, so I'm just say thank you very much talaga that continue go lang, walang just a basic nagiging part na rin, kasi nga nagiging part na yan sa journey ko, that while I'm working as a OFW. So thank you to all of them, and congratulations to all graduate from, I think finish na pero yung ibang countries or ibang schools yata, mga nursery or mga kindergarten kung sa atin pa, o mga primary, mga secondary, mga college, mga nasa universities also. So congrats with your parents, or single parents, or single father, or grandmother and grandfather, or aunties and uncle, or mga cousins and relatives, or mga brother and sister. So congrats for the future that continue magiging growing up. Okay, so thank you so much, and bye. So now I have another one. This one is Earthlink. Ano to dito yata, dito yung sa ano ba yun, sa wifi. Siguro meron silang meron na, ewan ko kung anong meron. Dala yata, siguro of course si sir, dala to ni sir. Pero you know what inside? I have, nasa nakalagay Arabic. Ayan, no? Okay? So, I want to open, and I want to, nabaliktad man. Nasira yata yung nasira yata yung carton. Ayan yung laman, nabaliktad nga siguro. Yung nabaliktad nga. Yan yung mga paborito na lagi kong kinakain pag meron kami dito. Halos ako makakaubos yan. Sa totoo, pareho lang yan dito rin sa isa sa loob. Pareho lang din. Pareho lang din yan. Ayan, hindi pala merong ito. Yung anong tawag sa atin dito sa Pilipinas, sa hometown nato, empanada. Ayan. Masarap yan. Masarap talaga yun. Lagi yung kinakain ko yan. Okay, so once again, thank you for more blessings at all. Happy Wednesday, kasi tomorrow pa naman ang Thursday. Tomorrow yung ni Sisi, yung yung swimming pool sa school. sa summer school ni Sisi. Okay? So, I just want to say thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh. Thank you, thank you, thank you talaga for the support of my live stream. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Feeling ba, oy, happy fiesta na nako, malapit na ang festa sa hometown ko nga pala. At saka, once again, happy birthday in this, all that they are celebrating in their birthday in the month of June, that you are already in the different countries. Happy birthday, all of them. Pagkibot-kibot, wala na, oh, matigas na. Over kilos na talaga ako. Okay, so once again, thank you. Thank you to all of us. Thank you. Okay, say bye-bye.